next graduate is Paris, who wants to be a doctor to help people.
That's Ate Paris. Yes. Give Ate Paris a kiss. Give Ate Paris a kiss. Ah, la la la, Bob, she's so some.
Wants to be a ballerina because I love to spin around. Our next graduate is Finley, who wants to be a police officer to catch the bad guys. Our next graduate is Hannah, who wants to be a doctor to help people.
This way. This way. Yay!
Laura, this way. Sorry, wardrobe malfunction here. The next one is Orlando, who wants to be a police officer. Our next graduate is Paris, who wants to be a doctor to help people. Our next graduate is Kristen, who wants to be a medical.
When it's December, you'll barely remember. Think of our friendship. friendship, a part of my heart rips. I want you to know, even though it doesn't show. I want you to know I miss you. When I've rest about you, they know that it's all true. They call me a fool cause I still wanna be friends with you. I want you to know, even though it doesn't show. I want you to know I miss you. I'll miss the days we prank called each other. I'll miss the days we played sports together. You won't remember these memories, but I'll make sure that I'll keep them with me. Goodbye, goodbye, good friend, goodbye. I'll miss the days we laughed together. Goodbye, good friend, goodbye. I'll miss the days we sang together. But this fight will never end. You'll avoid me in the library. I want to know, even though it doesn't show. I want to know, do you remember me? Your new pals seem cooler than me. You say you're friends, but will they keep you from going through harsh ends? I want to know, even though it doesn't show. I want to know, do you remember me? I'll miss the days we prank called each other. I'll miss the days we played sports together. You won't remember these memories, but I'll make sure that I'll keep them with me. Goodbye, goodbye, good friend, goodbye. I'll miss the days we laughed together. Goodbye, good friend, goodbye. I'll miss the days we sang together. Everyone can see we're drifting apart. You remain a friend forever in my heart, but you want our friendship to depart. So I guess I'll have no choice but to do what's smart. Goodbye, goodbye, good friend, goodbye. I want this fight to end. Goodbye, good friend, goodbye. I wanna be friends again. When it's December, you'll barely remember. Thinking of our friendship, a part of my heart rips. I want you to know, even though it doesn't show. I want you to know I miss you. When I've rest about you, they know that it's all true. They call me a fool cause I still wanna be friends with you. I want you to know, even though it doesn't show. I want you to know I miss you.
Show me. Oh, look at Lola. Look at Lola first. Yeah. Is that you? Congratulations, anak. Mwah. Congratulations. Congratulations.
I got this thing.
It's so cute.
Everybody in there? Is anything in there?
No, it's just, I think it's water bottle.
Yeah, it's actually.
Yeah.
That's nice.
No, I put filling out. So it is crying.
Do you want to go over and get something to eat with your friends?
Can I hold those now?
Yeah, of course. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Miss Ranga.
I need to go
Have a look.
I know.
Congratulations on your graduation, Paris Mackenzie.
Oh, that's...
Like a new coffee shop.
I made that.
That's cool, isn't it?
Oh my god, hands will blue up.
You gonna go get something to eat? Mama will hold it for you. Give it to Mama.
Who did you get this from? Oh, Laura's getting Laura. Yeah. So sweet.
Yeah, very sweet. Oh, yeah.
Right, would you like a hat too, Paris?
Paris hat?
Paris, a hat. It's alright.
ไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไรอันนั้นไปถ่ายรูปก่อน
Is that pretty one? There we go.
Yeah, I think you and Irene taking photos. I'm just watching.
7 o'clock, guys. Nakauwi na kami. So, for the celebration, ay bibili kami ng pizza for dinner. So, aalis na naman kaming lahat. Lalabas na naman kami. Bili kami ng pizza tsaka ice cream kasi mag-celebrate tayo, di ba? Celebration! Sobrang cute ng ating ate Paris. Alam niyo ba, the story behind this photo, right? So, nagpunta siya ng Kindi. Tapos, nakita, nandun talaga nung pipick upin ko na siya sa hapon, yung teacher niya, tinawag siya kasi, Paris, wala pa pala tayong picture mo for, graduation. So, literally, itong photo na to is when she got out from the sandpit. So, very, pa yan siya, very malagkit. But, yeah, it turned out nice. Oh, beautiful man na mong baby here, like. Yeah, congratulations on your graduation, Paris Mackenzie. Class of 2022. Proud daddy. You proud daddy?
Very proud. I'm very upset that I didn't get to see it.
Yeah. Alam nyo guys, kasi ang ating baby Celine ay, alam nyo naman, kailangan rin siya ng 101% attention. So, andun si Daddy Mike nung nagpaso-paso si Ate Paris. But yung photos na pinlay nila, hindi nakakita si Daddy Mike kasi kailangan niya dalhin si Celine sa labas. But I took a video of it, so Daddy Mike can still watch it. Tingnan niyo to. Oo. Tingnan niyo to. Oo. What's going on? Do you want to sit there? We have to go get the pizza.
What is that? Is it candy?
What do you say to Lola?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Paris? What do you say to Lola?
You're welcome. But
Lucky.
Paris, you might want to save them till after we have tea.
Yeah.
Okay?
Definitely.
So I put them back in the
You got my phone,
fridge.
yeah?
Yeah.
Keep them nice and cold. Celine,
Bye-bye. Everyone's going.
Celine, I
that
think the dirt sheet. I think the dirt sheet.
No, never mind.
Just wear your shoes then. Just wear your shoes, the one that you were wearing before.
Say goodbye to Celine.
Bye-bye. Celine's staying here.
Kiss. Wow.
Kiss. Uma, good girl.
I leave the dirt sheet.
We will buy pizza for you. What would you like? Would you like Hawaiian? Yeah? Yeah, would you like some garlic bread as well? Huh?
Waiting.
What is it? You'll be fine. You'll be alright. You hear a knock on the door, that's us.
Hi, I don't think they can open the door.
You reckon?
Come out. You can take out the meaty bits.
If you eat all of that pizza,
So you got one
like
more.
not all of, you know, but a good chunk, I'm going to bring out that box of chocolates for you to open.
She's got one more. She's got minimum one more piece.
No, it won't.
Which chocolate you want?
Which chocolate you want?
Got hearts coming out her eyes. Paris.
I love whining Nana.
Huh?
I love whining Nana. Is that looking better?
Yeah.
Huh?
How much you want a chocolate too?
I adore whining Nana.
You want one or no?
They'll have one.
It's not orange.
Oh!
And cheese is the first chocolate.
Wow.
Oh, such a big box of chocolates.
Anyway,
Nice and cold.
Yeah, Paris.
nowhere else in Australia had like a higher mortality.
Actually, some of them really like the lockdown.
Oh.
Dad, which one do you want?
I just said it.
Which one do you want, Dad?
Just stop, slow down.
You have to choose for
and
yourself.
make different choices.
Ooh, what's that?
Oh my.
They must be hermits.
I think
Which one you reckon?
One actually is,
I think the best
The
one
diet has had
is
her own
the
business.
frozen.
and she just
Which one?
scaled things right
Try
down.
the pink.
Ended up retiring.
I'll have this, please. Thank you.
Woohoo!
Sit in there like.